So today we are air layering this Ficus macrophylla. It's also known as Moreton bay fig, and it's an Australian fig species. And I have been growing this tree out for a while now, and it's at the thickness that it's ready for chopped. So we are going to air layer the top off so we can grow it as a different tree, and then we could work with the base of this tree. Alright guys, so before we start our air layering, we want to decide where we want to reduce the tree heights down to. So I want to reduce the tree down to about right here. So we are going to make our cuts somewhere up here, and then when it's ready, we could chop the tree down to around here, and then you could get the still have the tree heights that you originally want. Alright, to start off with, we will be making 2 perfect ring cuts around the trunk of the tree. Make sure you are cutting deep enough to cut through the cambium layer to ensure that your air layering is successful, otherwise it might be a failed. So now that we got 2 ring cuts, we'll make a vertical cut connecting the 2. And then after that, we should be able just to peel off the bark. The reason why air layering works so well is because the upper portion of the tree is still going to receive water and nutrients from the roots through the inner hardwood right there. And as the tree continues to perform photosynthesis, the sugar from the photosynthesis is going to travel down through the bark, and because we made the cuts to disrupt the flow, it got nowhere else to go, so it would just sprout roots right there. I'm going to apply some rooting hormone gel onto where the cut is, but this is not really necessary, especially with Ficus species, which roots really easily, but this will speed up the process. Alright, so now we're just going to rag it up, and then we will fill it up with dampened sphagnum peat moss. Okay, so now we'll be wrapping it up with aluminum foil, and this will protect it from the heat and the sun. Alright, so now we'll just wait for the bag to be filled up with plenty of roots, and usually when you start seeing secondary roots coming out of the primary ones, it's ready to be chopped and planted into a new pot. It will need some extra protections because you are essentially cutting it off from its original root system, which is providing it with water and nutrients. So it's still gonna go through a short period of stress before it recovers. So expect some leaves dropping or turning yellow, which is pretty normal, but the tree will recover quickly, and soon enough you'll have a second tree. Like always guys, if you enjoy my content, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.